Hello everyone, good afternoon. So as requested by many of you, so we are live today, and it's good to see everyone connecting on Sunday, and we are having a good kind of discussion. So it is I'm eagerly waiting for these sessions to come, right? So it's a good thing to connect. One of you, can someone confirm if I'm clearly audible? I'm clearly visible. So voice is clearly audible. Hi Saran Raj, how are you? Can you please confirm if I am audible? Yeah, great, great. Thank you for confirming. Right. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for confirming. So this particular session is a live session and you can ask anything related to your career or job opportunities or related to the testing field, jobs, anything, anything you can ask. Right. Hi, Siva. How are you? Great, great. Good to see every one of you here. Okay. So, before we start, let me tell you about a couple of opportunities that you might be interested in. Since I know many of people are looking for job opportunities, so let me share a couple of job opportunities with you in the group chat itself. I'll share so that you can note down those email addresses. So, if you are a fresher and you're looking for a job opportunity at a Microsoft company, so I have got a referral. So, you can avail the referral. You can contact the person which is there in the referral. So, here is the link for the referral. You can get the referral for the Microsoft company. Microsoft company is hiring freshers these days, and if you go via referral, you'll definitely get a job opportunity, right? Definitely get calls. Okay. Charan is telling, can I expect more jobs in January first week onwards? Okay. What is onwards actually? So first week of Jan. So January onwards, the job opportunities would be there. Because January is the start of the new year and the budget approvals are there. So definitely there will be more job opportunities in the month of January, and will create an end-to-end video also on that in which month there is more hiring, so you can take care of that. Yeah. Sir, please guide how to handle notice period of 3 months. Most of the companies are ready to take interviews. Okay, you might be writing are not ready to take interviews, right? Most of the companies are not ready to take the interviews. That's what you are telling. Okay. So how do you handle 3 months? Now, 3 months of notice period is a right concern. Okay. Cypria, it's a very right concern. It is not only you, many of the folks are having this issue handling 3 months of notice period. Okay. Now, what companies do, they do hire people with the 3 months of notice period. I have seen people getting hired with 3 months of notice period. But what you have to do is you have to communicate clearly and you have to show commitment to your interviewer, or I would say to the recruiter to whom you are speaking, right? The problem is not the notice period, it is how it is handled. Okay. What you should do is I'll send this statement to you. This is exactly the same statement that was told by my subscribers, and she got an opportunity. See, what you have to do is you have to tell my notice period is 90 days, but I'm actively exploring early release and handover options. So in this case, it's a kind of a diplomatic answer. The recruiter will listen to you and they will schedule an interview for you, right? So if you give this answer, it would be proper. My notice period is 90 days, but I'm actively exploring early release and handover options. Meanwhile, you can also have a word with the recruiter and with your hiring manager, right? Now companies often take 30 to 45 days of people as well. So what I would suggest is first get a job with 90 days of notice period, then go for the counter offers, right? So that's what you can tell. Okay. And there are some service based companies which are hiring for 90 days. So I'll give you the list of those companies as well. So these are the list of companies that I'm sharing with you, which are hiring with 90 days of notice period as well. Okay, let me share some more list with you. Yeah, these companies are very friendly with respect to 90 days of notice period, and these are mid-tier service-based companies. Cypria, these are mid-tier service-based companies. I hope you are able to read this chat messages, right? Virtusa is there, UST, Persistent Systems, Billasoft, Zensar, then Giant Entity, Data, DXC Technology, Sutherland, Atos. Yeah, these are the companies in which you can apply. These companies will accept 90 days. Okay, don't worry. 90 days, it is acceptable, because at times they are looking for immediate joiners because they have got those projects. But these are the list of companies that you can explore. Okay, still, if you need more companies, feel free to connect with us, right? I'll share this top mate link also with you. Let me share that link. So if any one of you are stuck with respect to the career, you're not getting calls, or you're unable to transition, you're unable to convert your career from manual testing to automation testing, or you want to learn API testing, anything, you want to learn playwright, feel free to book a call with us here. This is the link. I'll share this link also in the chat box. Can someone confirm if the link is visible? Yeah. So I'll share this link also in the chat box, and I'll personally connect with you. I'll personally coach you. I'll personally mentor you. What do you need? Are you looking for interviews? Are you looking for mock interviews? Are you looking for some career guidance? Or your resume is not getting shortlisted? You are not getting calls. Whatever is there, right? That would be. And don't worry, these calls are not recorded. Okay, we are not going to put it on the YouTube. We are taking mock interviews, but we are conducting mock interviews, and in that we take first the agreement from, we get that agreement from the candidate that they are okay to get this particular mock interview being uploaded, then and then only that mock interview gets uploaded. Okay. Okay, Malana Gowda Patel is telling I am unable to clear the final CEO round. So can you tell me more about this thing? What kind of questions you got? Why you are not able to clear? Right? Because I have seen people, they are unable to clear the interviews for 15 companies, and then in 16 company they get selected. So there are certain things that you need to plan, and we can connect for mock interview. So I'll also come to know what kind of answers you are giving, right? Okay, Litram is telling I'm giving interview on 31st of December for Accenture as QA tester, and it is technical interview. How many rounds will be there and what type of questions? Yes, Litram, I have got one of my subscriber who gave an interview in Accenture company. I'll share the questions also. She has shared with me on a WhatsApp. Let me just open WhatsApp and share those questions with you. Okay, the questions are, and these are the interview questions which are asked in the month of December, and her interview date was 20th of December, last week itself. The questions are, what is defect life cycle? What is agile ceremony? Can you please note down? Actually, it will be very difficult for me to write it down here. So I'm speaking, you can note it down, right? And what is the difference between error and exception? Syntax of WebDriver. What is the difference between find element and find elements? How to take screenshot in Selenium? How to scroll in Selenium? Difference between attribute and element? How to reverse the number without using reverse method? Write a program to find the sum of even number? How to handle the alerts in Selenium? These questions plus agile related questions also. So be prepared for that. And if you want, we can connect for one mock interview today itself. We can book a call on Topmate and we can connect for a mock interview, all related to Accenture things. Accenture first round, Accenture second round, right? Everything. If any one of you are getting calls from Infosys, we can connect for that as well. Any company, anything, feel free. And I'll share the questions bank also with you. All right. So I'm here to assist you, whatever assistance you need, maybe from the testing point of view, interview questions point of view, career guidance point of view, resume point of view, whatever things you need. You need any real-time project that you want to add in your resume, or you need ATS friendly resume template. Okay, everything will be provided to you. So this is the list of the question and answers with the MNC companies, right? Here you can get MNC companies list of questions and answers. This is for Litram. At the rate Litram8377, you are asking, no? So this is for you. I have just messaged. Yeah. Okay. Gauri is telling I'm not getting calls. Gauri Nansare is telling I'm not getting calls. So there are several factors behind that. Why you're not getting calls is because, is it that the proper projects have not been there in your resume? And what is a kind of the expected salary? What is the location that you have kept? What kind of testing you have done? Is it just manual or is it automation as well? So there are multiple things around that. So we can connect on a call, we can connect on a career guidance call, and I'll be able to assist you more over there, right? Ranga Kunari, hi Rakesh, how the first quarter is going to be for testing domain in 2026 in terms of opening? It would be very good, right? Trust me, it would be good. Plus, what we are going to do is we are going to come up with more number of job opportunities as well. So I'm starting one poll. What I'll do is, especially for freshers or for experience or for referrals, whatever I'll get, should I create a video? So one video we are posting related to jobs at 1:30 p.m. It is coming to you. Okay. Apart from that, do you need more content on jobs? Should I create a video more on jobs apart from what you get at 1:30 p.m.? Okay, 1:30 p.m. IST every day we are posting video. But apart from this, do you get it? Do you need it apart from this as well? And if you need, then let me know what timings you need it. Okay, so that is very important. So I'm starting a poll. It's a free video, right? You don't have to pay anything. You can watch it on YouTube. But I'm seeing many of the people are looking for job opportunities, and able to see those job opportunities in the market. Now I need to be a bridge between you and those job opportunities so that you can apply for those jobs. But you need to tell me. So one job related video we are posting at 1:30 p.m. IST every day, you can see. Apart from that, one video we are posting at 11:30 a.m. That is more of interview perspective, question answers perspective. But if you are looking for more jobs related videos, can you tell me what time we should post it? I was thinking to post maybe at 8:30 p.m. IST. We can have it alternate days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, something like that. I was thinking. Is the time okay for you? Let me know your thoughts in the poll itself and in the chat section as well. What timings would work for you? Okay. Okay. Next question. Radha, should I change my mobile number and email ID to get more interview calls, or is it necessary? You don't have to change. What I would suggest is at least create 3 to 4 different versions of resume. One version of resume should have automation, UI plus API. One version of resume, if you're getting calls from manual testing, put that. One version of resume, put both manual plus automation. Have multiple versions of resume and see, when you see the job description, what kind of job opportunity they are looking for. Are they looking for automation? Are they looking for manual testing? So according to that, then you apply. Don't apply with the same CV to every job opportunity. Otherwise, what would happen? You won't get the calls. That is fact. That is truth. Okay. You won't get the calls. So what I would suggest is you should definitely have multiple profiles, so that have multiple CV versions, so that you can apply with respect to the job opportunity that you see in the market. Right? That's very important. Okay. Let me. I have got few more job opportunities. Okay. So I'm sharing one more job opportunity with you. Okay, so there is one company which is hiring for manual testers. Okay, and here are the details for that. So many of you are looking for manual testers, so I thought to share this job opportunity with you. Okay, the email address is given jobs at the rate kairatext.com, and it's a remote job. Okay, remote job, manual testing job, UK client, work from home, immediate joiners are preferred, and you need 3 to 8 years of experience. Okay, apply for this job opportunity, right? So go ahead and apply for that, right? It's very important. Okay. Okay. Next question is A2621 BAAT. Okay. Python plus Selenium is enough for automation from basic, or I have to learn about any framework for getting a job in an automation? Python plus Selenium is good. Okay. But have some knowledge on Java plus Selenium as well. Okay, Java plus Selenium. You can explore Playwright as well, right? So very soon we will be having a course on Playwright also. That is a self-paced course which you can learn. So it's would be very much helpful to you. Okay. Yeah. Uh, Kaivala Agnihotri is telling, sir, I have already joined a course related to automation plus manual. Great, great, good decision. But I'm a BSc working in a chemical plant. I hope to switch to testing one day. Definitely, you will be able to switch for testing if you have BSc. So try to do some certification, right? Because for testing, most of the job opportunities they see either BCA, MCA, or they are looking for BE, BTech. Okay, so try for this certification in testing, right? Any certification is fine. Okay. Okay, in 2026, Java, Selenium, or TypeScript, Playwright, which one will be more important? Both are important. Even Playwright, if you do, it's good. Even if you do Selenium, it's good. Both things are important, and any one of the knowledge at least you should have. Okay, if you have both, it is good. If you have any one of them, then also it's fine. Okay. If any one of you are looking for the course in automation testing end to end with my mentorship, with the career guidance, with the resume, with multiple mock interviews, with the interview questions and answers, so you can get it from the top mate itself. Let me share those details with you. Right. So a lot of things that I want to share. Okay. So many of you are stuck in your career and you feel what kind of course we should do, from where we should do, is it a real time or not, right? So let me share that things with you. Let me share the screen. Okay. So this is a self-paced course on automation testing in which we have covered Selenium plus Java real-time projects, e-commerce website, which you can add it in your CV as well. Plus will upload will you will get all this interview questions and answers, managerial interview questions and answers, the Selenium based interview questions and answers, agile questions and answers, the MNC company based interview questions and answers, the test plan, test strategy. Apart from that, Java interview questions and answers, Java coding interview questions and answers, plus multiple mock interviews, plus mentorship, plus career guidance. Everything you'll get in this particular link itself. And it's a self-paced course. You can complete it at your own pace. Okay, so let me stop sharing the screen. Right, so this is the course. Okay. Okay, Mayank is telling the saturation is there in the job market specific to testing domain. I have got the new opportunity from MNC and they are good with my 90 days rule. Okay, great. So Mayank, congratulations for getting the job opportunity. If it is possible for you, shall we connect today for 20-30 minutes? I would really like to connect with you and discuss with you about how did you get that job, what all preparation did you did, what all strategy you had. So feel free to share your contact details at RD Automation Learning at the rate of gmail.com. We would be happy to connect with you, right? And if you need any kind of guidance as well, we'll connect for that. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, Ranga Kunar is asking which would be better to learn considering today's job market, REST API or SOAP UI? Go for REST. Always go for REST. Okay. Apart from manual and automation testing, rather his question is apart from manual and automation testing, which skills are required for someone with 3.3 years of experience? So with 3.3 years of experience, you need Jenkins, DevOps. Okay, they are not expecting you to be pro in Jenkins, but at least the basics you should know, the fundamentals you should know. Okay, that's very important, right? Please hit on the like button and share this link of the live session in your Telegram, in your networks, so that it reaches to the maximum people, right? What else? Okay, Mahibub Sheikh is telling, uh, sir, I have 2.5 years of experience in Java Selenium and I have 2 years of gap. Can I restart my career? Yes, definitely. You can restart your career. But in this 2 years, what all things have come in the market? One is Agile is there. So have some revision for Agile. You'll get Agile related questions and answers in an interview. Then focus on Git, focus on DevOps, Jenkins, CI/CD, AWS, cloud. These all things have come up in the market in last 2 3 years. So focus on that, right? Okay, CV informative vlogs is telling I'm currently working in a supportive project looking to shift to automation side using Selenium, Python. I have 3 years of experience. I learned Python, SQL, and Selenium, but don't have experience in testing side. Don't Not an issue. You just book a call with us. I'll guide you how to showcase that in your real time experience. Okay, what you have to speak, what not you have to speak, what all things you will get, what all questions you would get. So we'll guide you on that. Yes, Mayank, that is a good thing. Apart from Naukri, you can create your profile in InstaHire as well as Well Found and apply for jobs. That's a very good thing. Search for other portals as well, like InstaHire is there. It's a good portal. Well Found is there. Try for LinkedIn. On LinkedIn itself, you'll get a lot of jobs, right? So though there are many job opportunities on LinkedIn as well. Let me search one more job opportunity for you on LinkedIn, right? Okay, there is a requirement for a QA. It's a remote job and the company name is Elite Corporate Solutions Private Limited. They are hiring for QA, Uttarakhand, India, but it's a remote job. Okay, so you can apply. So let me share that details with you. There's the name of the company. Okay, there's the name of the company which is hiring for QA. Okay, and you can connect with Pooja. She is the recruiter who is looking for getting the candidates, hiring candidates. Yeah, you can connect with her, and she's hiring for QA, right? So many such jobs are there. I just searched one job before you, and I was able to tell you in that, right? Yes, yes, definitely. For freshers as well as for experience, every day at 1:30 p.m. IST, you are able to get the video related to jobs. Go through those video, and in that video, first comment, we are putting all the links to apply, direct links, plus the email addresses as well, right? Just go for them. Okay. VJ is telling I have 4 years of experience in manual, but which automation I need to choose as of now? I'm confused in Selenium Java versus Playwright with JavaScript. If you are comfortable with Java, go for Selenium. If you're comfortable with JavaScript, go for Playwright. Okay. Playwright is having more benefits, more advantages compared to JavaScript. But still, the projects are there in Selenium Java, so you can continue Selenium Java as well. I am sharing one link also of my course with you, right? In which we have explained from the scratch Java, Selenium plus real-time project, mock interviews, interview questions and answers, how to create your resume, how to get calls. Everything would be covered over there. You can avail that particular course as well. Okay, Radha question is which domains are currently seeing more demand in the job market, banking, telecom, or e-commerce? So e-commerce and banking. There's not much calls about telecom or education domain. Okay. Yes, definitely, Ranga Kunari. We'll try to have a video on CICD integration. How does it take place and what is the tester role? Right. Definitely. We'll try to have that thing. Okay. Don't worry. Litram is telling Python Selenium or Java Selenium, which have so compared to Python, Java Selenium is good, right? Java Selenium is having a lot of demand. Litram. So Litram, if you get time, please connect with us before 31st December. We would be happy to connect with you for a mock interview related to Accenture interview preparation, right? So we'll also guide you how to clear that interview, right? Feel free to book a call on the top mid for the same. R. Siva Balaji is telling, yes, yes, Bablu Gundarupu is telling, please suggest for performance testing. So for performance testing, you have to focus on JMeter. That's the tool that is used widely in the market. Focus on assertions, what kind of assertions you are getting when you are applying for that particular any company based things, and how AI is used in that performance testing. So that's also important, right? So work on that thing, and you can prepare. For 4.5 years of experience is not a big deal. You can definitely prepare. There are a lot of APIs which you can automate using JMeter as well. Okay, Siva Balaji is telling I explore the careers of company and cold mail to the mail address, but there is no response. Any reason why we are not getting the calls? Okay, very good question. When you don't get the calls, you feel that it's a bot or it's kind of a robot which is working, and that's why maybe you're not getting the call. So don't worry, it's not like that. Okay, so many of you might feel like there is no response. Now, your friend here is partially right, but it is not 100%. So, let me explain the real situation to you so you don't get demotivated. Okay. Most career emails are not read by the humans. Okay. What do they do? What happens here? Large and mid sized companies, okay, they receive hundreds and thousands of emails daily. Okay, so career inboxes are like auto filtered, ATS integrated, and they are checked once in a week for some of. So all these kind of things like auto filtered inbox or ATS integrated, these are checked once in a week. Okay, so these things are handled by the systems bots. But when you say cold mails, so cold mails also might fail because of the volume that you see. So recruiters see same subject lines, generic resumes, copy paste emails, right? So your mail is competing with hundreds of the resumes that are applying to for the same position the same day, right? Same day. So timing matters a lot. So what you have to do is you have to try to get some referral, or at least send a mail in the morning time, in the morning. So recently we had a video on that, in the morning for 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. That slot you should pick up, because at that time slot many recruiters are logging. With respect to IST hours, I'm telling, many recruiters are logging at that time. They'll see your email coming at the top, and they'll be able to tell you, right? So it's a good thing, and you should try every day, right? Every day you should try. Okay, Tulsi is telling, I have 2 years of experience in non-IT. I want to move to ID automation testing Selenium with Java. Can I do it now? So yes, definitely, Tulsi. Now is the time, and if you don't take the step now, later on it would be very late for you, right? So there is a course available on automation testing. If you want, you can connect with us as well. Okay, I'll share my details also with you. Anything related to the career, feel free to book a call on the top meet itself. We can connect today, right? And I can guide you what kind of course, how it would be useful, how it would be helpful to you, right? The course is also available on top meet. You can avail it, right? it it would be very useful for you, very useful, very simple, and enterprise framework, MNC based framework has been covered in that. Okay. Radha is telling which platforms are best for hiring in Java apart from Naukri. So InstaHire is there, well found. Yes, right. Mayank is right. Mayank Divedi is absolutely correct here. Thank you, Mayank, for responding. Right, you have been very active in this live chat. Right, I'm happy to see such kind of community which is assisting others, which are helpful, and which are connecting, and you are assisting people as well. So that's a very good thing, good initiative, good work, Mayank. Right, LinkedIn, Insta hire, well found. He's absolutely right. Rather, create your profiles on those as well. Okay, Pranali and Gundanapu, if you want to connect, feel free to book a call on the top mid related to career guidance, right? If you want, we can have a quick chat as well. So you can book a call and we'll definitely connect with you, all right? Let me know anything required from my side. Or for performance testing, I mentioned, so you have to get a grip on JMeter. If you want, we can connect for JMeter mock interview. If you want, we can connect for performance testing mock interview. There are so many things that you can just book, just connect with us, right? That would really assist you. And there are so many people who are connecting with me every day. Every day, I'll tell you about testimonials. Wait, what I'll do is I'll open my top meet link. See, whomsoever connects with us, right? So it's a good thing. I'm really glad to get all these things, all of your love, and I'll show something to you, right? You can, these are the testimonials, right? All 5 stars, right? What else you need? Everything is, so people have really appreciated once they are connecting with us, and they are happy. They are able to move ahead with the career and their problems are getting solved. What else you need here, right? See, let's go to the second page, right? Good support for job hunting. Managerial questions PDF for testing was incredibly helpful in my interview. So many 5 stars, right? So it is all your love, it is all your support that is helping to grow, right? So I'm very happy to get a lot of love from all of you people, right? Okay. Yeah, for automation career guidance as well. If you need automation assistance, you want me to tell you how to learn automation. So there is a course available on TopMate, right? So just avail that course. You'll definitely help. It would definitely help you, right? And for job opportunities, especially, try to send mails. Try to send your CV in the morning time slots, 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., right? 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. If it is too early for you, 8:30, at least try from 9:30 a.m. onwards to 11 a.m. Try applying for the jobs, send your CVs, update your CV slightly with respect to the job description, update your CV every day on the Naukri profile as well. A slight change is also fine, right? Go for that. Don't wait. Okay. If you want every day, you want the opportunities apart from what we have been updating in the this particular YouTube. If you want apart from that as well, for let's say entire month, if you are looking for the placement assistance, right? So this, what is this is, I'll explain you that as well. What is this placement assistance? Okay, so this is a placement assistance service, right? What we will do is we'll share the job opportunities also with you, and on daily basis from Monday to Friday, job opportunities will be shared with you. And if you need any kind of referrals, those also will be shared with you. So all of these things you would get, right, from the placement assistance perspective. If you need this thing, you can book this particular service as well, right? For a monthly basis, this charges you need to pay, and the placement services also will be provided to you, right? Okay. Sakti, what is the force future scope on automation testing? Is AI took hours? No, no, it will not take. Don't worry. AI can utilize you. AI can you can utilize AI in your daily work, in your routine work, but AI will not take your job. Don't worry. Okay. Mayank is telling just a query. How you are utilizing AI in your daily work efforts? Okay, I'll create a video on this. Right. I'm getting so many good suggestions to create a video. I should do live sessions every day. Do you feel this live session should be done every day? Thank you again, Mayank, for I'll create a video on this for sure, Mayank. Yeah. Thank you for being so active member today. Okay, K Chandrasekhar is telling I am looking forward to move towards Tosca. Tosca is a limited job opportunity tool. You won't get much calls on that. Don't go for Tosca as of now. I would suggest go for automation testing rather than that. Right? Okay, Javed Khan is telling I'm working in testing with 3.9 years of experience. That is almost 4. What should I do to get growth? Because my package is less than 6 LP. Go for a switch. Learn automation. Learn DevOps. Learn AWS, Docker, Kubernetes. There are so many things you can learn. Jenkins is there. Add those skill set in your resume. You'll definitely get the call. And at least with 4 years, you should have the salary as 12 to 15 LPA. Right? As of now, it is very less. Salary is very less, Javed, for you, right? Satish Yadav, playwright. Yes, definitely, playwright is good. If you want, you can learn playwright. If you want, you can learn Selenium. Both the tools are in demand. Selenium is used in the older projects in which the automation framework is already ready. Playwright is used in the new projects, or they might migrate older projects to newer projects. So that's how the strategy companies are making. Okay. Okay. I'm seeing yes option for the people in which I have written, should I create a more video on jobs apart from 1:30 p.m. IST? What timings? So yes is fine. Can you tell me the timings also? Will 8:30 p.m. IST work for you? Will 8 p.m. IST work for you? Will 7:30 p.m. IST work for you? Put the timings in the chat box so it becomes easier for me, right? So that I can become a proper bridge between you and the employers, right? Sakti is telling 8:30 p.m. Okay, Sakti, we'll take care at 8:30 p.m. Any other option? Because at 1:30 you are getting jobs. Apart from that, if you are again, see, I cannot upload videos at 1:30, 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. That YouTube will fire me, right? So. Uh, Go for at least tell me the timings. That would be the great thing, right? You can just put your timings in the chat section. What I feel is, with respect to one poll that I've got, is 8:30 p.m. will really look good for me, right? Because 9 p.m. again, corporate memes and all those things videos are coming, so I don't want to have those clashes, right? And I hope those corporate kind of memes kind of things are not uh, what I would say, disturbing you, right? Those are making your mind, because I don't want you people to take stress. That's why memes kind of videos are also uploaded. You should not take stress when applying for a job or when going for an interview, when looking for these things, right? Interviews and all those things, right? Okay. Okay, you were put on. Bunny is telling you were put on PIP and then I got terminated. No salary given from 4 months. Um, I had career break, then this happened. What to do? I'm working as an intern now for 10K. Okay, you are having an internship of 10 months. Sorry, 10K. So convert that internship experience to the this. Uh, how much time period did you work before putting on PIP? Bunny 62893. Can you discuss those details as well? How much time did you took there? Okay. How to get more calls from Naukri? Okay. We'll create a video on that as well. Yeah, Playwright with JS is really good. I'm not aware about what kind of discussion, but Playwright with JS is really good, right? You should definitely go for Playwright with JS. Okay, it's a good option that will definitely build your career. Playwright with any language is fine. One question I was able to see: Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, any language is fine. Yeah, yeah. One more hack is that in Naukri, always put notice period less than 15 days, or at least put serving notice period. You would get the calls. Okay, you worked 7 months, and later on, after termination, no work for me for 5 months. Now I got QA intern offer. Join that internship. Join that internship. With that internship plus your 7 months plus 5 months, you'll have at least 1+ years of experience, right? Go for that. That would be really good for you, right? Rest assured, easy to learn. Yes, it is very easy. You can get the details on the top mate. We have got API testing course as well, and you can avail it, right? It's a real time API testing course in which access tokens, the how to automate tokens, how to automate APIs without tokens, everything is being covered. So I have been speaking for 40 minutes. Please hit on the like button and share this thing with the maximum people. Right? We are left with last 5 minutes, and then we will wind up. Okay, Bunny is telling I'm 28 years now. It's really hard. I can understand it's 28 years, but you would have to do the job to get the experience, right, Bunny? And how come 28 years? You could have passed out in 22, 23? 22, 23, if you have passed out. Yeah, you would have passed out by that time. What did you do after completing your education? Did you not join the job at the QA job at that time? Okay, you're preparing for government exam. Okay. No worries, no worries. So it will take time for private companies. You will have to work for 6 months, 1 year in one of the company perfectly. Before, if you leave before 1 year, then they'll tell you in a very short span of time you are switching. So don't go for that, right? Yeah, no job during COVID, I can understand. Okay, Mayank Divedi is telling Rakesh, any idea on the low code automation tool to learn? Learn this PowerShell scripting. That's a low code automation tool. And if you want to learn automation without code, you can go for, yeah, you can go for robotic process automation as well. Sorry, I was feeling. You can go for robotic process automation as well. That's low code automation things, right? You can just include in your project for smoke testing. That's it. Don't purchase those tools. Yes, Samriddhar is telling, sir, can we get more interview calls in January for experienced candidates? Yes, definitely you'll get. So, Bunny, for you, the roadmap is you have to work 1 year now in that internship and complete that thing, right? Satish, Java basics, coding programs, Java plus Selenium with POM plus mobile dev basic. Yes, that is sufficient, Satish. If you have interviews in the upcoming days, feel free to book a call with us. Correct. When you join any new company, how to start with the project. So if you don't have any hands-on experience in automation, what you can do is at least do some hands-on on some e-commerce website. So I have created a course on that for e-commerce website. Do some hands-on before you start working in a company. That would really help you a lot. Yes, Sumit, 35 to 40 LPA is possible. People are earning even 55 LPA, 60 LPA testing, right? Bunny, I'm working as manual tester. Don't go for front end now. Go for API testing. Go for automation testing. That would help you to make your career, right? Okay. So I think we are good for today's live session. We had a 45 minutes of good discussion. If you want to connect with us, feel free to book a call on TopMate. I'll share the links also again with you. If any one of you are looking for the real-time project, so this is the link with respect to Selenium plus Java, UI automation, API automation, everything would get covered. Mock interviews, resume review, career guidance would be given. Everything would be covered here. And then, if you want to book just for this career guidance or for placement assistance, you can book the call here, right? So that placement assistance will be able to share with you multiple jobs and will also connect with you for interviews. So it's a part of your entire month. It's a 1 month kind of service. Yes, Playwright with TypeScript is really good. Playwright with JavaScript is also good, Sudhir. Right? Both are good, Sudhir. Both are good. Okay. So that's it for today's live session. Thank you so much for connecting with us. And stay tuned for more updates and wish you all the best for your career ahead. Right. Thank you.